Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be preparing some chutney prawns. This is a perfect starter, or you can serve this for biryani, and it's very nice and tasty. Especially for this party season, this is perfect. So here I've cleaned and reserved the prawns. We'll be using mint leaves, coriander leaves, kasuri methi, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, chicken masala powder, chaat masala powder, little bit of cumin powder, pepper powder, and tamarind pulp. I'll also be using tiny amount of cream. Now we'll prepare the chutney. In a mixer jar, we'll add all the green leaves, that is mint, coriander, curry leaves, kasuri methi, chilies. We'll grind this into a smooth paste by adding some tamarind pulp and all the spice powders, pepper powder, little bit of garam masala, chaat masala powder, and cumin powder. I've also added ginger and garlic paste and fresh cream. We'll grind this into a smooth paste. I have not added salt. I'll be adding the salt at the very end. Now to the prawns, I'll be adding this masala. I'll mix the prawns in this masala and cover it and allow it to rest on the kitchen counter itself for 5 to 10 minutes. By that time, I'll heat my grill, and once the prawns has soaked in this masala, I'll be adding salt and we'll start grilling it out. If you leave this overnight, it will be much more tastier, but in a jiffy you can prepare this. It does not have to soak that much. So now my grill setting is on 5 mode. I'll allow it to heat up well for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the prawns, once it has nicely marinated, I've added salt. If the prawns oozes out little bit of moisture, just drain it out. Then I've also soaked some bamboo skewers in some water and reserved. Now in this bamboo skewers, I'll start skewering the prawns. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog for a detailed written recipe. All these recipes are also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. My other social media handlings, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter links will also be in the description box below this video. Now you can see my electrical barbecue grill is ready. This is a smokeless barbecue grill. This is from American Micronic. I am thoroughly enjoying to prepare many recipes on this grill because it is smokeless and it is very easy to handle, and you can prepare many dishes in a jiffy. So on the hot plate I am placing all these prawn skewers first. I'll allow them to cook and then I'll transfer it on the grill mode. So now I am placing this prawn skewers, and the rest of the marination I have applied it over the prawns. On 3 speed setting, or the 3 speed mode, I will cook the prawns for 2 minutes on each side. I'll flip it and cook it for 2 minutes on each side. This cover is very convenient. It helps the meat to retain its moisture and it's nice and juicy. So I've covered the prawns and allowed it to cook for 2 minutes on each side. Once it is cooked for 2 minutes on each side, I'll keep flipping it, and I've transferred the prawns to the grill side. On 5 mode setting, I will grill the prawns for 2 minutes on each side. So that's about it. The prawns will get easily grilled and it will nicely cook. All that masalas will cook. It will be perfect. These chutney prawns turned out so good, friends. I serve these skewers with some garlic chutney or that garlic toom. You can also serve this with mayonnaise. It's very nice and tasty. I like this with the garlic toom because that garlic and the mint combination was nice. So it was very nice and tasty. Do try this recipe. I highly recommend this barbecue grill, electrical barbecue grill from American Micronic. It is very affordable. It is within the budget, so you can buy it. It's 3,000 rupees. You can buy this. They have also got this EMI schemes on Amazon, so you can buy it. I had this on my wish list on Amazon, and I purchased it because I really enjoy these grilled items. So all these grill items I'll keep preparing at home. You have seen so many grill items I prepared on the stove flame, and people who want to prepare this on the stove top also can do that way. So they can flame grill it and they can serve this prawn skewers. But I highly recommend this because people like me who enjoy grilled and less fat and less butter stuff, they'll really enjoy this, because this is also non-stick coated. So I added very less butter to grill these prawns with a tiny amount of butter. I grill the prawns on both the sides, and you can see it is perfectly done. Now the prawns, I'm going to be serving it as hot as possible. So do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments if you enjoyed watching this video recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.